I'm back. I'm back. You're back. All right, well, I don't know. If Mike stuck to his 50-cent stop loss on Caterpillar, unfortunately, Mike, may your position in Caterpillar rest in peace. Because the options are trading 47 cents by 49. You are now officially, if you stuck to your plan, goodbye. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya. Sorry, Mike. Sorry. It happens like that in trading sometimes. We all take losses. Lord knows I have. That's for dang sure. All right. So let's talk a little bit about trading plans here. All right. And some of the things that I'm looking at. All right. One thing, position I made some money on today. I shorted Diamond Offshore Drilling, DO, like dead on arrival. That would be DOA. That's a horrible joke. But you're laughing at it, right? All right. It's horrible. Anyways, there was a rumor this morning. I don't know if it's been confirmed because I'm here with you or if there's been anything. But thing is, there was a rumor this morning that they have a leak at one of their rigs. Plus Goldman, the callers of Amazon 190, downgraded Diamond, which if you use the reverse logic theory of the Amazon call, you'd go long Diamond, but I would not recommend that. I am currently in some puts on Diamond. I own 30 of the, just so I let you know, I own 30 of the something puts. What do I own? I own 30 of the 56.75 puts. So I'm up a little bit on those. But the thing is, you couldn't pay me to mess with these stocks. Now, typically you'd say, yeah, but contrarian. You know what? When every day people are watching the entire ocean get polluted, that's not a stock I want to be in. I'm sorry. Sometimes the majority is right. Sometimes they are right. And you know what? Until there's a rumor like renouncement that DO is not polluting another part of the ocean. I don't know, maybe it's the same one. Maybe they like double teaming the Gulf of Mexico over there. Until there's an announcement otherwise, I personally would not want to be long these stocks. You couldn't pay me to own them. In fact, I will take my chances from the short side with stops, because when they do kind of get some good news, I don't know what that would be, but if and when they do, they'll probably squeeze very hard. You know, but I will say, I was talking to somebody yesterday, and this has to do a little bit with trading plans and why, actually I was talking to a new relationship we have at Trend Fund, and, you know, because we're kind of doing some prop trading stuff, and anybody interested, email me at waxy@trendfund.com. But anyways, so we're talking about British Petroleum and how, well, it's cheap. Okay, that wasn't my idea, by the way. And I said, well, you know, they still have over $100 billion market cap. Okay? Over $100 billion market cap. And then we got to talking about Citibank, because I view Citibank the same way. Now, there are some people who love Citibank long. They love it, right? They talk about it almost every night on air. Love Citibank. Meanwhile, the thing just drops every day these days. But regardless, it's not about being wrong or right, because I'm certainly not right all the time. But Citibank still has a ridiculously high market cap. It's I don't know. Last I looked, it was around $100 and something billion. Maybe it's 80 or 90 now. I can probably look that up. But whatever it is, it's still a lot. It's not like they're in Pauperville and they're a $200 million company. So far in the history of the stock market, okay, because I hear this all the time now. Citibank is going to be a $25 stock, I heard some analysts say a few weeks ago. Okay, I just want to kind of throw this idea out there. All right, just hear me out. If Citibank was $25, let's say that analyst was correct in his price target of Citibank $25, they would have, again, I don't have it in front of me, but roughly, they would have north of a $500 billion market cap. Now, as far as I know, there has never been a $500 billion market cap company. I think there was one that was 400, Exxon or something, or maybe Petro something. I don't know. One of the oil companies, I think. But as far as I know, there has never been more than a $500 billion market cap company. And I know for a fact there's never been a $1 trillion market cap company. So Citibank would have to become the largest by market cap company ever in the history of the stock market. Now, if you want to buy Citibank based on a thesis like that, by golly, go ahead. Me, we've traded it several times for huge profits. Okay? Huge profits. I think we had a 2,000% winner on call options at Citibank recently. So, that's how I want to play the market. And that leads me into plans for trading this market. All right? And you can call in and talk to me. You can yell at me. You can say, you don't know what you're talking about. Citibank is going to go to $100. Whatever you want. It's fine. Just call me. I'm lonely. Talk to me. Someone talk to me. 877-242-8212. I want to talk to you. I need to talk to you. We need to have a heart-to-heart. We need to have a chat here on Chat About It. Okay, so here's my trading plan idea. These days, it pays to be cash at the end of every day. Okay, now I'm not saying that I am 100% cash every day. All right, so let me get that straight. But I am much more inclined to be close to it or there than I've been in a very long time. Because this market is showing us that gap fades are working, okay? That the market doesn't know what it's doing at all, okay? The smart money doesn't really exist. I mean, I guess right now the smart money would be the short money. But we are getting these huge volatility swings. So therefore, what that says to me, okay, take Apple, for example. Now, I love Apple short. All right? I'm not currently shorted. I did short it off the open, made some money on it. But, covered too soon apparently. But, my point with Apple is, Apple gapped up. Apple gapped up. That's where I shorted it. Okay? So, you get those opportunities in this market anyways. So therefore, it's not worth it to hold on to it on the off chance if you're short. Okay, now it's not even an off chance. On the 50-50 shot, let's say, that we're gonna get some really good news. British Petroleum is gonna figure out how to clean up every single drop of oil in the ocean. The euro is gonna rally to 2. Everything is going to be hunky-dory. Everything's solved, and Apple Gap's up $13. Okay? Because it can happen, right? Well, probably not all the other glorious, wonderful things we'd all like to happen. But it's possible that you could get really good news on Apple, right? And therefore it would get a big gap up. So why bother owning, a ton of puts on it? Even if you like it lower. You might as well just trade it. Now, yes, there is possibility you could miss a big gap down. Okay. You know what? You'll live. That's just my trading plan now. My trading plan right now is to trade this market intraday as it comes. Pretty much.